Welcome guys. In this chapter, we are going to build a basic image gallery. Here you can see we have a boilerplate code with a style tag and body tag containing the HTML elements. Our preview look like this. Okay, let me zoom it. Now, the first thing we will do is let me see the images I have. Okay, this is like Everest, this is Chitwan, this is Pashupati, and this is Pokhara. So these four are the top tourist destination places in Nepal. And now we will make a basic image gallery of these four tourist places. So here is the skeleton how I goes while developing any web design. So first I make the skeleton like I have an image gallery, so I make a division image gallery. Okay, and now I have a image wrapper. Okay, so I have an image wrapper of all the tourist place. Okay, so for that I give just as a image wrapper. Okay, and now inside this I have a gallery item. Okay, and that's how I design the a particular tourist place. Inside this now I have a anchor tag to basically link to that particular image, and inside that I will have a image tag to basically uh, show the image. Okay, so here is just a image, and then we have a h2 tag to show the caption. Okay, so to show the title or caption of the image. Okay, that's how the basic skeleton of a tourist place inside the image gallery. Okay, so this is like a first tourist place. Okay, and now I will just copy this. Okay, and then paste. This is second. Okay, and then this is third. Okay, and then this is fourth. Okay, so it's quite simple. You can see this. Okay, and now here what I will do is I will just link to that particular image, and for that I will just do images. Okay, and then inside that I have a gallery, and now probably like first is Pashupati. Okay, and similarly I just copy this and paste it here. Okay, that's the source for the image, and here I will write Pashupati. Okay, Pashupati temple. Okay, and now here also as well Pashupati temple as the caption. Similarly, for the second image I will write images, and then gallery, and then probably Everest, and similarly copy this and image source and the Everest uh, base camp. Okay, so that's the average base camp, Everest base camp. Okay, and the third is now images and a gallery, and probably Pokhara. Okay, and then copy this here, and then there is a Pokhara visit. Okay, and here Pokhara visit. Okay, and then the last is the Chitwan. Okay, Chitwan, and here, so that's actually Chitwan National Park. Chitwan National Park. Okay, copy this and put it inside the caption. Okay, and now if I see the preview, you can see, so this looks like this. It's coming like a one image after the another. Okay, so that's the default behavior. Okay, when I click it, it goes inside this. And now how to get these images like one after another on a horizontal line. So that will make the image gallery. Okay, so for this chapter we will be using the float property. Okay, so here first I will put a very global CSS, that is box sizing, as a border box. So this will basically prevent the the padding of an element to be included inside the width of the element. Okay, and now I will basically image gallery and image gallery, and then what I will do is basically probably border. Okay, let me see if I give a border and then ccc, will it give you a nice border? Okay, I can see we have a nice border here. Okay, and now image gallery and then image wrapper. Okay, and since we want these images to be inside one row, and we have four images, so we have to divide the width, which is like 25%, right? So width, now we will, let's give as a uh, 24.99%. Okay, and still the width is not applied to the image because we have to make the, so right now the image wrapper. Okay, so here let me show to the inspector. Okay, and if you see, okay, if you see the image wrapper, then here if you see the image wrapper. Okay, so image wrapper width is fine, and we need to basically also update the gallery item. Okay, so here the image wrapper is fine. Okay, the width is fine, and now we need to also uh, image wrapper. Okay, and then inside this gallery item and then image. Okay, so inside image we have a gallery item and then image, and make it as a 100%. Okay, and now if we save it, then you can see our image is same as that of the image wrapper. Okay, so now we have we have the intended image width, and now what we want is this image wrapper. Okay, this particular image wrapper should float to the left. Okay, so that this also goes here. So float left and save it, and here you go. Okay, so very nice. So once I did that float left, what it this is, this wrapper is float left and all the wrapper are float left. So this way all our image wrapper is coming like adjacent to each other. Now we need some gap between these two image item or gallery item. For that we need a padding here. Okay, and we need padding 0, top bottom, and probably 5 pixel left right, and there you go. Okay, so we have a nice gapping. Okay, and this part is a gallery item. Okay, probably let's say give a gallery item as the border. Okay, and now let me use this. Okay, here. Okay, and gallery item as now border 1 pixel solid. Okay, save it, and that's like too much. Okay, and pixel. Okay, here you go. Okay, and now what we will do is on hover, let's give some box shadow effect. Okay, on hover, when I hover it, then it should have some kind of a shadow. So to do that we need to use the hover effect, which is a pseudo class. Okay, and here like a box shadow. Okay, and since we don't want to have x and y, so I don't mention that, and our 0 for both x and y, and 0.5 for the blur, and 1 rem for the spread, and let me give the rgba, and 0 0 0 and 0.15 for our color. Okay, when I do that on hover over to the card, then it gives a very nice effect. And what if you want this Pashupati temple text in the middle, right? For that we need inside this gallery item we need caption to be center aligned. Okay, so here this gallery item, and then the caption to be uh, text align as center. Okay, and now when I do this, you can see, okay, this is now center aligned. And if we uh, make it small, then you can see it is also responsive. Okay, however, what we want our card to be in the new line once it goes into the mobile layout. Okay, so that is part of the responsive design that will come in the future chapter. So for now, our gallery image is fine and looking very nice. You can see. Okay, so that's all in this chapter, and I hope you enjoyed this chapter, and I hope you will be able to make this kind of simple, gallery by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next chapter.